Hey there, welcome back to our 3D printing journey. In our last video, we unboxed this bad boy, set it up, and even puzzled our way through our first burr puzzle. If you've missed that, you gotta check it out. But today, we are taking it up a notch. We are spelling Jagskap in 3D letters, and guess what? We won't be designing these letters ourselves, nope. We'll be downloading an STL file from the internet, and let me show you how. First, we'll simply Google for letters STL, then we'll browse through the treasure of options until we find the one that catches our eye. Once you've picked your favorite, just click on Files and Download to make it yours. Easy, right? Well, you might have to log in, but that's no biggie. Importing the STL file into Bambu Lab Studio is a piece of cake. Just follow along. We're going to print letters J, both its lenses and back cover, and you know what? Bambu Studio provides a lot of options to customize your model. You can choose the filament type you need and select the color. We are loading up our printer with a beautiful black PLA Pro and white color for the lenses. Alright folks, it's time to slice the plate and make some magic happen. See that? It shows exactly how much time it's going to take to print these letters along with the line type. To minimize the print time, we're going to remove the line type that's not required. Check this out, customizing on the fly, we are saving 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Print time! I'm not gonna bore you with the printing process, but here is how the print looks like. Printed all the letters and this is how it turned out. But wait, we are not done yet. To make these letters even more captivating, we are going to add some LEDs and connect them to a battery. Complete them with a handy switch for turning them on and off. Check this out. And this is our final product. I mean, come on, isn't that cool? Now, if you want to get your hands on one of these creations, just slide into my Instagram DM. I can customize it and create that for you. That's a wrap for today's 3D printing. Thanks for hanging out.